Secrets of creating effective affirmations and declarations. Do you ever ask yourself why you struggle in manifesting your dream car, money, house, travels, or significant other? Maybe you want to give yourself a boost of meaningful declarations, mantra, or abundance affirmations that actually work? Then stick with this video. How to use affirmations and declarations. At this point, maybe you're wondering already, how can I implement abundance affirmations in my day-to-day activities? But before we jump into this one, you have to understand first that abundance affirmations and declarations are short, powerful, positive statements that you can use to consciously be in control of your thoughts. They are specifically designed to harness the power of the law of attraction, as well as positive thinking, to call prosperity, wealth, and financial gain into your life. Affirmation holds the power just like that of negative talks. It sticks with repetition. You need to dissolve all of your abundance blocks and limiting beliefs and replace them with affirmations that attract growth. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Practice positive affirmation at the beginning and end of your day. Do you want to kick off your day with a boost? Then, when you open your eyes in the morning, practice affirmations. Before going to sleep, say affirmations. No matter what happens, always tell yourself that you did great for this day. Repeat this every day, and you'll witness a massive change in you. As long as you repeat your affirmations at the same time each day, they'll soon become a habit. Don't get frustrated when there are no results within a few days. Constantly generating wealth and abundant energy will bring amazing results. Keep the frequency and manifestation will show up. How many times should you repeat your chosen phrases? While repeating abundance affirmations numerous times in a day seems effective, you have to take note that quality is more important than quantity. If you're just mindlessly repeating your affirmation without really dwelling on what you're saying, they won't work. See, sense, and feel into your affirmations. For example, visualize yourself having your desired dream house. How do you feel in that scenario? What does it look like for you? You have to feel it with every cell of your body, and it has to bring you into a new inner state. And that way, you'll be fully immersed in your dream. Materialization energy will be created, and you will receive ideas, opportunities, guidelines to act and do what it takes to achieve it. Be specific on what you want to manifest with your statements. And this way, you can focus your energy on it, and it'll make it more powerful. Combine them with meditation. Affirmations combined with meditation makes you more committed to achieving your desired results. Give attention, give energy, give your focus, and it will accumulate materialization energy. You must really feel those positive affirmations as you say them, or else they will simply be meaningless words you utter. Soon enough, the affirmations will begin to take hold in your life, and the results will amaze you. How to write abundance affirmations. Number 1. Identify negative beliefs. Do you have any beliefs that interfere in obtaining what you want? See, if you can identify any recurring negative thoughts or beliefs and write them down. By doing this, you will be aware of your weaknesses and turn them into your own strengths. Number 2. Challenge negative beliefs. Jot down on that piece of paper, journal, all the values that counteract the negative belief. This will be the foundation of your new affirmation. Number 3. Write in the present tense. Make your statements positive in the present tense and in the first person. This will make it more personal. Number 4. Keep it short. Keep your affirmation short and concise so you won't feel bored or confused when you're reading them. Number 5. Give it impact. An effective affirmation is impactful. You might want to season it with positive, beautiful language that inspires you. In addition to all of these, you have to be thankful in all circumstances. Throw away all the excuses and limiting beliefs you have. Then, crave more and commit to living your dreams. Using affirmations for abundance is not about the practice itself, but the connection you start forming with the energy force of the universe. You have a choice about which energetic frequencies you want to live in. You too can have the choice to create the life you desire by connecting to the vibration of the things you want the most. After all, it is only you who can impact and push yourself beyond your limits. Subscribing to this channel to keep learning and creating new reality together. Thanks for watching and liking this video. See you next time.